Okay, guys, we're gonna test this after, well, you guys know all the phone calls. Watch back about 5 or 6 videos. I've made multiple phone calls and been given the runaround. At this point, the security at the door has supposedly been set correct and told that we are allowed to film inside the building. I've got another appointment, so this is not going to be a very long video, but just a quick walkthrough.
Oh, we gotta read this.
In the courtroom of Superior Court 1. That doesn't apply. That doesn't apply.
Oh, we gotta go through this.
Whee! Okay, guys, like I said, you've watched the previous videos, you know all the phone calls, you know what we've gone through for this. You guys know this is recording, right? And you guys understand now that Thank you.
You're welcome.
So just to clarify, now you guys know, so you're not going to interfere with anybody else. Appreciate you. Okay, those guys are not very happy because they're the ones that have been threatening to arrest me and whatnot. So they're not happy, but now they know the law, and
Now we can't go into no restricted areas.
right. And like I said, this is going to be relatively short. We'll do a more extended version at another time. Elkhart County Community Corrections, they don't even allow cell phones in that room. Plaques on the walls. Magistrate. Yeah, I'm not, I don't have time to do a whole thing at the moment. I will come back when time permits more and do a more extended video. But I just wanted to make sure that they got the phone call, and we're going to respect our rights. And as you saw,
It's just on, it's just off now. They turned it off.
and as you saw, they didn't like it, but they did respect our rights. Pinwheels. In case you want to learn how to cook Jello molds while you wait. And again, this is the Elkhart County Courthouse. I don't recall the exact address, but judges' chambers, restricted. Yeah, I don't see why, since they have this building, why they have another humongous building a couple hundred yards away specifically designated to the prosecutors. I'm not gonna zoom in on that, but
The judges' pictures on the wall.
mm-hmm. These are old pictures, it looks like. can't get the name plaques very well, but James W. Reichhoff, Stephen E. Platt,
Here's
Donald W. Jones,
here's Judge Biggs.
what is this? This is Elkhart County Quarter Century Club. Active employees with 25 years of dedicated service to the citizens of Elkhart. Wow, there's a bunch of them.
And there's Judge Wicks.
There's Judge Wicks. Well, that's interesting. Defendants in small claims or collections cases set for Tuesday and Friday hallway hearings. I'm dead serious. That's what it says, hallway hearings. You will meet in the hallway with an attorney for the opportunity to settle your case. The attorneys are not part of the court staff, Superior Court 5, and you are under no obligations to speak with them. If you would like to bring your case before the judge, let the attorney know and go to Superior Court 5's public entrance for the judge's chambers so court staff can inform the judge. Do not go into the courtroom before informing the attorney and court staff. If you do, you may miss the attorney calling your name, which may result in being defaulted and a judgment entered against you or a failure to appear. Okay, well, yeah, that's interesting.
This is a big courthouse.
It's a humongous building. The sheriff's door. Not sure what that is. Don't know what these are, and I can't quite read them, so I'll just show you. Maybe somebody's got some software to translate them into English. It's an amazing building, though. It's, like I said, this is only the first floor, and we're not really going to have time. It's like I said, I've got another appointment. The main purpose of coming in here today, basically just to show the security that we are allowed, because up until today they've been threatening to arrest me.
If they arrested you, we'd have a good case against them.
Yeah, but we don't want that kind of stuff to happen.
For a violation of rights.
Yeah, but we don't want to do that because then the taxpayers have to foot the bill.
I know.
So we don't want to do that. We prefer it go the way it did. Granted, I think it took a little bit longer than it should have and a lot more phone calls than it should have.
Marriage licenses.
A lot more phone calls than it probably should have. But,
That's where you get your marriage license at.
and there's the clerk for child support also. Sheriff's Department use only for that elevator. There's an emergency shelter for employees only. I'm guessing if it's a tornado or something like that, the employees only is set aside. Not sure what that room is for, but
People must go into there there thinking they can get their marriage license.
That's possible. That is possible.
They left a little note on the door saying marriage license is next door.
I guess since we're here, and I don't know what my schedule is like in the near future, I guess we'll go up to the second floor real quick, unless we miss the elevator, which we're missing the elevator.
And we missed it.
That's okay, she caught it.
Oh, we gotta go to 3?
No, we're just gonna go to 2.
Somebody pushed it already.
Oh, I hate elevators. We'll go this way. Human resources. High volume, use the door, don't block. It's conference rooms. It's like a humongous maze in here.
I guess the bailiff sits on the outside. Bonfiglio.
That name sounds familiar.
Judge Bonfiglio.
That name sounds familiar. What is all this? Oh, yeah, just
Okay, we're to the end. We have to turn around.
yeah, it's just a bunch of paperwork for petitions and court requests and whatnot. The clerk's office. They have some really nice, nice buildings and setups. Oh, no cell phones. This office is not open for the general public. The clerk office is open for filing, for all filings. Those entering the official business should enter and communicate quietly. Sound carries easily. Yeah, that's true. That is very true. Okay, guys, we're at about 13 minutes. I know I've seen some people giving looks and whatnot. Well, let's walk up this way, Kim. I've seen a few people giving looks and stuff, but I think when they call down to security downstairs, they're going to tell them, hey, nothing we can do about it. So, to chalk this one up to a pass, finally. It took an awful long time and a lot of phone calls and a lot of phone calls and contacts and communication. Uh-oh. I heard there he is.
Yeah. But you see, they're not coming after us.
Right. I heard somebody say there he is and pointed this way, so
Yeah, they were pointing at you.
apparently she has been advised that it's okay. Oh, that's just wrong. Now that one works.
This is on second.
Yep. protective order instructions. That door says private.
This is the public defender's office down here.
Yep. That says 6. Well, that one doesn't say a number, it just says, yeah. Let's see who these gentlemen are. Stanley A. Raymer, 9167 123176. William Bontrager?
Yeah.
That is a very old picture of him. Very old picture of him. Stephen Platt.
And then Judge Bowers.
And there's the public defenders check-in. And then there's where you go to get a public pretender. Okay, like I said, guys, yeah, we're going on 17 minutes now. We're gonna head on down and out and get on to our next scheduled event. I just wanted to thank all you guys for sticking with me and watching the videos. This has been a long time coming. I mean, there's like 6 videos of making phone calls and getting the runaround and threatened to be arrested. Multiple things. If you go back a few videos, you can watch the videos of some of the phone calls and how they pass everything around. And finally today, I was told, I called the right person, was told that, yeah, they're just misinterpreting they're just misinterpreting the laws, and that they cannot stop you from videoing inside the building. Yes, we cannot go in courtrooms, but that's the extent of it. So they're making threats of arrest and violence all this time through this process were very inappropriate. Nice, they got the electronic billboards telling you everything about everybody.
That's really good. Oh, I know. That's a good little park. Yeah, it is actually.
So on the first floor is the sheriff, the county clerk, small claims, Elkhart County clerk, Elkhart Division. On the second floor, Superior Court 1 and 2, Jury Assembly Room 203, the public defenders, the prosecutors, which I don't understand. They got prosecutor in here also, but then that big building over there, and I'll show you guys at some point, but they have a humongous building across the street that's the size of this building, if not bigger, but specifically dedicated to the prosecuting attorney's office.
Because my battery's fine and my battery's fine.
And again, guys, thanks for your support. Thanks for helping us. And we'll consider this a pass. It took a long time, a lot of work, but we did it without being arrested. We managed to pull it off without being arrested. We got our rights respected, and we didn't have to get arrested to do it. I think, like I said, it's been about a month that I've been making phone calls and trying to find out who to talk to and what to do. And I've been tempted a few times just to walk in there and say, do what you're going to do, but you're wrong. But we went a different direction, and I think it was successful. Oh, I know it was successful, but I think it was
I don't have any money.
I got a buck.
Is anybody getting two or no?
That's all I got with me is a buck. Sorry, bud.
Fine, man.
You have a good one. Okay. I'm gonna shut this off, and we're gonna go on to the next. You guys have a great day. Thank you.